Alright guys, I'm going to share a trade secret with you. I know I made y'all mad when I didn't tell you how to machine ceramic, but I'm going to show you something here. Take a look at that. That's a diamond coated tool. You can buy these things for a couple of bucks if you just shop around. And if you could get your camera to focus on it. Anyway, I think it's a 180 grit, not sure, but it's awesome. And today we're going to be cutting silicone, and let's just take a peek at what that substrate looks like. Now this is a setup piece. Yep, ain't gonna come off. I try to lay stuff out before we start doing this, but I'm sure you can kind of see that finish in there. Shiny, isn't it? Okay, so look what we got here. We got an elliptical pocket. I got a little hole right here, that way I can shoot air underneath. This sucker drops in there, it locates it. Got this little plastic cap. Now this is all ABS. Got my handy screwdriver. Now, I'm only going to snug it down. No need to be a hero here. We're doing a really light cut. Now I cut this side here. And that's it. Okay. Let's see here. I think that's upside down. So, one of the things you got to plan out is when that piece breaks off, and I actually don't want, you know, I want it like this, there. Now, I'm not sure what's going to happen, because I'm going to cut here, and then there's going to be this remnant that's going to be floating around in there. Hopefully my coolant will flush it right out, and it'll just go flying around in the machine somewhere. But if it stays there and tumbles around, it shouldn't damage the part, because I'm doing a multi-pass. My first cut, I'm going to leave material, and then I'm going to go back and do other cuts. Now this guy, yeah, he might take a hit and break, and as you can see, I let it, no you can't see, it's black, but I've already run it. I let that tool cut into the plastic, and then alright, so let's get this thing going, and I'll show you. Let me see here. I'll show you how we do this here. Okay, so the program is in my hand. This one. Got an improved feed rate. So here you go. 12,000 RPM, 30 inches a minute, and as you can see, I'm ramping. I'm doing a 3 thou ramp, and we'll just see how it does. So that's going to run for, let's see, okay, so my feed rate 30 inches, 12,000 RPM. As you can see, it's feeding down kind of slow. So I think 30 minutes to do that cut. We'll see what happens. I'll probably do it like a part 2.